Hi guys, here 30 minus 5 is 25 divided by 5 times 1 plus 2 in bracket whole square. Here 25 divided by 5 is 5 times 1 plus 2 in bracket whole square. Now 5 times this 1 plus 2 is 3 square. Here 5 times 3 square is 9. Here 5 times 9 is 45 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 45 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket, higher priority. This is the exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also these addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. So we have to do this bracket before this operation. Here 30 minus 5 divided by 5 times. Here 1 plus 2 is 3 square. Here next priority is exponent. We have exponent here is 3 to the power of 2. We have to do this 3 to the power of 2 before this operation. Here 30 minus 5 divided by 5 times 3 square is 9. Here we have subtraction, division and multiplication. Here the next priority is multiplication and division. So we have to do this division and multiplication before the subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right. Here left to right is 5 divided by 5. So 30 minus 5 divided by 5 is 1 times this 9. Here we have this subtraction and multiplication. Multiplication is higher priority than the subtraction. So we have to do this multiplication before the subtraction. Here 30 minus 1 times 9 is 9. So 30 minus 9 is 21 is the correct answer.